If you prefer your Pop-Tarts with or without frosting, I have the perfect college football game just for you. The Pop-Tarts Bowl. This year featuring Iowa State out of the Big 12 at 10-3 and the Miami Hurricanes at 10-2 out of the ACC. Both teams had aspirations to be part of the inaugural 12-team college football playoff, but fell short. I'm appreciative of the commitment and effort that these players have given us this season. They have been through a lot. That's what Hurricanes head coach Mark Cristobal told me in the coach's press conference. The Hurricanes, they are early favorites to win this game. However, no word yet on if their star receiver, Xavier Restrepo, will even play. It's going to be a 3:30 kickoff on Saturday here in Orlando, Florida.